Recursion is a problem-solving technique where a function calls itself to solve smaller instances of the same problem, breaking it down until a simple base case is reached. Another definition is that it is the concept of defining something in terms of itself. An example of this would be a linked list. A linked list is a node that points to another node. This is another complex structure that programming uses nowadays. Secondly, we have self-reproducing programs, which are a class of programs capable of reproducing their own source code. Then we have divide and conquer algorithms, which solve large problems by breaking them down into smaller versions of the same problems. Now you might be asking yourself, what do the previous examples have in common? All the previous examples have one thing in common, and is that they utilize recursion. This shows you how much powerful recursion is. Now we're going to be implementing a simple recursion example which will help simplify the concept. We'll start with importing the IO stream, and then we'll create the main method. After that, we'll create our variable a and b. Then we'll state what will be printed. Now our recursion problem is then implementation of the recursion multiplication of two non-negative numbers. First, we will define our base case, which is b is equal to 0, and then we'll return a plus mult a b minus 1, which is a reduction of the original problem. Now let's compile the program, and then let's run it. 0 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay, now if we change this to 10, maybe 5,000, we'll get compile. It works.